Education is a gradual process which improves human life and their behavior. So, hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel, Mira. Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So, today I'm going to share with you three types of education. How many types? Three types. And then you decide which type of education is more valuable and can add more value to your life. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Straightforwardly, we can say that education is a passage of progress. Like education is the main reason with the help of which we can distinguish between the right and wrong. But because of its absence, we cannot do a certain things and we can't even achieve our goals. So what type of education we should opt for? So there are three types of education which one can opt for. They are being formal education, informal education and non-formal education. So what does it mean? So let's first understand what is formal education. Formal education is something which happens in the premises of school and then secondary school, then post graduation, college or university. Like every student or every person goes through basic academic or learn certain trade skills which they learn from their school times, and then they gradually improve on and get promoted to secondary school and then further post graduation, college or university degrees. So, what are its characteristics? Like formal education are designed hierarchically. It is planned deliberately. It involves certificates and degrees, and it is being graded chronologically. So this is all about formal education. Next come up is non-formal education. So non-formal education involves a long process, which is doing things, learning from experience, and then again doing them, so that make sure we are progressing. So it's a very long process. Like you need to do certain things first, and you fail. You do it again. You do fail again. You do it again. You fail again. And with that gathered experience, you excel in your life. So, what are its characteristics? The characteristics are pretty simple. Like, there is no age limit to it. Like, what do I mean by that? Because in a school, it starts from kindergarten and then you study till 24, 25. But in this non formal education, your life lessons are ongoing. You keep on learning new things every single day. That's the beautiful part of non formal education. So, this is pretty much about the non formal education. I have a question for you guys. Is there anyone who is watching this video right now is interested in knowing a shortcut where you are being directed rightfully, where the people you will be learning from has already achieved the results you desire for? Would you like to know about that part of education? If yes, then do type in the comment box saying, heck yes, I want to know about this type of education. So the final education, the most favorite one of mine is informal education. So what is informal education all about? Informal education is all about practical parent training or practical adult training. So what does it mean? Like you will be learning from somebody who has a life's experience, who has paved the way, who will show you the direction where you exactly need to go so that you don't have to face the same challenges the way that person has faced. Like you can mobilize the local resources because of his help and presence. Don't you think it's amazing? Like it will save so much of time and effort from your end, which the person has to go through to garner and achieve this success. Like this will be amazing, right? So informal education for me is really important because like learning from somebody who has already achieved the results which I want. Like I really can't ask more than this. Think about it. So what are its characteristics? This is something which I like the most. The number one characteristic is it has no definite syllabus. Unlike formal education, we have a syllabus to study. We know we have to study that much only. Because of informal education, where there is no definite syllabus, there is no pre planned action, there is nothing planned, it just happens spontaneously. The life gets better and fun. Don't you think it will be amazing to experience something which is coming and like bang, yes, amazing, I'm just loving it. That's amazing feeling. It's just crazy. So you guys might be wondering that I'm supposed to speak about education. I did spoke about education, but at a deeper level, where I classified all kind of education which I feel is important. And personally, I like informal education because I know I don't have to work or have to go through the same challenges or obstacles which that person has gone through because he has already gone through and he's guiding me. I just need to close my eyes, have blind faith on him. Obviously, not that blind faith where like anybody can take advantage of you, but always ask question and get clarification and have enough faith and give that person enough trespass where he or she can guide you. And whenever you try to shift from the right track, he can just twist your ear and bring you back on the right track. So guys, this is pretty much about the video today and this is what I wanted to share with all of you. Do let me in the comment section which type of education do you prefer? Formal, non-formal or informal? I'll be more than happy to know about it. So thank you so much guys for watching my video and tuning in today. I hope I was able to add value. If you guys feel the same, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. And I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी.